All right, guys, we are back again this month, and our theme is your mission. And so, your mission can come from many different places. Last time we talked about your story and your mission coming from a piece of your life that you're really passionate about. So, today, what I want to talk about is the things that you like. Your passion, your business, your mission can come from something that you really enjoy. Maybe there's something or a topic that you talk about often, and no matter who you're around, you always wind up getting back to that topic, and you wind up talking about it because it's something that you feel in your heart. It's something that you really like. Well, you possibly can turn that into a business. Because if it's something that keeps showing up over and over again in your thoughts and in your heart, then it might be something that you need to do. There may be a problem in there that you can solve. Because we're all unique beings and we approach problems differently. So, because of the way you think about it, because of your experience, you may be able to add a different twist to that and help somebody and impact somebody's life in a different way because of your perspective about that topic. So, I really want you to think, what is it that I wind up talking about so much? Or what is it that I wind up watching, even? That's about that particular topic. Maybe there's series or TV shows or videos that you keep watching over and over again about a particular topic, or you keep learning about this topic and it fascinates you so much. And you're like, wow, I'd love to spend more time on this. I'd love to learn more about this and be all like in this topic, even do a business related to this topic. That may be something for you to investigate. So I want you guys to think about this time, the superhero Batgirl. And no, there's not a lot of movies about her or that, but there's a lot of comics about Batgirl. And so for those of you who don't know her history, Batgirl isn't someone that got bit by an animal. She wasn't someone from another planet. She was a girl that was really, really smart. And she was really good at computers and computer hacking. And so, because of that skill, and she saw that there was crime going on and things weren't quite right, she wanted to help out. So, Batgirl actually learned how to fight. She wasn't born knowing how to fight and having these great skills. She learned it. She had teachers and masters that taught her specific fighting techniques. So she put the things that she was good at, like computer skills and hacking, and learning about fighting, the things that she liked, and she created this persona of Batgirl. And so her mission was to help other people. So think about that for yourself. Think about, okay, there are things that I know and that I'm really good at and maybe experienced at that I like, but there's these other pieces that would need to be added to that that I might need some training on or might need to learn a bit. And if you put all of that together, you could create a really powerful business. You could create this mission, this thing that you would love to do. Because sometimes we think we have to be born with certain skills, or that something amazing like we talked about last time in your story has happened to you. That is a way to create a business, but another way to create a business is using some of the things that you're really good at. Maybe it's experience you've gotten from your job over the years or a hobby, and then we get some other training in some other areas. And it doesn't have to be that you go to school full on out, get another degree, depending on what your business is. You may be able to take a couple of classes and add that knowledge to the things that you already do. So I want you to think about that as another possibility, or adding to your existing business. What is it that I really like? What can I add to my business? Like, for example, like you guys know, I am a business strategist. So I help people create the businesses that they love. But in that, I'm also a creative person. So I love to do crafts and make things with my hands. So I include pieces of that in certain programming that I do. We do something what's called some types of art therapy. because I like to be creative. So it's something that I enjoy, and I've added that component to my business because it makes it fun for me. So think about those areas that maybe you think maybe are outside of your business or something, but it may be a component that you add. It may not be part of your full mission, but it could be something that you add to that to make this complete package, like Batgirl did, right? She had the knowledge, so she knows how to go in computer hacking and find out what's going on in the community and in the cities around where she is, as well as taking that training for fighting. So that way she could go out and defend those people who were being taken advantage of. You can do the same thing. You can put that together if you so desire. And I want to remind you guys that tomorrow we are having a workshop called What is Your Mission? It's an online workshop. It's $29. It's an hour and a half, and I will go to 2 if people have more questions. But we're going to do exercises that help you get clarity about your mission. So if you're just starting out, this would be a great way to kind of hone in on what do you want to do for your business. If you're already in business, it's a great way to get more clarity and definition as to what you do and what you bring to the table. What is your real mission out there, so that you can help build that clarity in your message so that your ideal clients can say, oh my gosh, yes, that's what I want. So we're offering that tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And if you guys are interested, the link is back in the email. So definitely check it up and sign up. It's not too late. We're doing it, like I said, tomorrow night. But think about all those components that you can do to put together this ideal business that you absolutely love, that is your mission. All right, guys, I will see you, some of you, tomorrow at the workshop. The rest of you, I will see next month. Take care. Bye for now.